Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Explain YouTube channel. Today I will guide you how to set time on TVS Ntorq 125 scooter. So if you also want to set time in easy method, let's get started. Now the very first step is to turn on the ignition of your scooter. After this, you can see here on the display there are two buttons. One is mode button, another is set button. Press mode button for a while, for few seconds. Once you press this for few seconds, you will see here Bluetooth pair mode. Now again press this mode button for few seconds. After pressing for few seconds, you will see here set a clock where hour and minute is blinking. Now simply press mode button once. Here you can adjust hour. Use set button, press one by one to go forward like 5, 6, 7 in this way. Now to adjust minute, again press mode button. Here you can adjust minute. Use again set button, press it one by one to go forward. Once you adjust your time, now to adjust AM and PM, press mode button once. As you see here, the AM is blinking. Now to change it, press set button. If you press this one time, it will be PM. If you press one more time, it would be AM. After fixing this all, simply press mode button for a while, then the time will be fixed. Now you can see here, the time has been adjusted. Even though I will turn off the ignition and turn it on again, you will see the time what I have adjusted will be over here 8:17. So if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much for watching till the end.